Hi, I'm Anita with More Time to Chalk. I will be doing a small DIY home craft ideal using the Stay Well transfer from Couture. I'm applying 2 coats of Lakeshore paste on a 4 by 4.5 wooden block, and I have a small wooden knob that you can get at any craft store. I'm applying Shimmer Harvest, and I recommend that you place it on a painter's tape just to avoid paste on your fingers. Use a sanding block to distress the side and to smooth the surface, and then you want to apply a small amount of wax sealer before applying your transfer. I'm applying bright white to the words Stay Wild. Once it's completely dry, glue the knob to the top and use a jute string or a ribbon and make a bow. Thanks for watching and see you next time.